There is a new series of games that are considered deck building games. And of the things the board gamers have wanted to play and I've been shown here, Star Realms is decks you have in an area you build a deck from and fight each other. And there's a starter, and there's packs, and there's several different starters. And this big box is everything to play with the new stuff. And we have a few packs. Let me change where the camera is. Okay. So we've got some packs here. And I was at the shop and I had a little bit of extra money. I'm pretty sure the board gamers will enjoy it. We have a new health. I think this is how much health you got. And it's a card together in a station. And we've got cards for it. And the High Director, Legendary Commander, got a ship, cargo boat, a scout that gets you money, tug that makes you money, attack ship, an either or. Oh man, just the common scouts that are sort of the simple ones, and vipers. You just need those. Oh man, a better viper. Alright, so these are things you could put in your decks, and you build from what's on the table, and like it has a cost and you have the money per round, and you actually play your whole hand every turn, and you get to do everything. So it's sort of what you draw, and like you have money as you draw, an attack per turn. And if you have more than one, like if I have both of these, it would be money and an attack. It's interesting. And it plays pretty fast. No one else has to bring anything. So it's sort of a deck building card game that feels like a board game. And we've got some tech cards that are money and things. It's an expansion you could put in there. And it's a whole bunch of them. Alright. And we got this big box. And it's pretty affordable. I play Marvel Champions, and I think this is more affordable than Marvel Champions, but like it's more types of cards, and it's a different game. I enjoy Marvel Champions, but this is made to be a very affordable game. And we've got all these punch outs, and so this is your game board where like you have your trade deck, your explorers, the cards out to buy, your sort of communal discard or shared discard. Got a bunch of spots in here, some empty foam spots. You got a different life counters if you want to use that instead. And like you have these vaults and scenarios, so you can play a bunch of types of things. And you have all of your cards to play the game. I like this. I like this game. No one else has to bring anything. We can have some coffee. It's not so expensive. Like if it gets ruined, like I can get another one. The box and some packs was, I think, $75 and that's board, all the cards to play, extra cards, and I've seen people buy board games for $100, and it's a different game each time. You can get more, or you could just play with this. I like this. I'm quite happy with this.